Alright, so here is my new GT 26-inch Pro Series. It's been here for a few days. Wanted to do the unboxing and show what comes in the package and show me trying to put it together. The issue is I only have a limited set of tools because I've recently moved and my stuff is on the way. Here's what I've got. This is apparently the 2021 Pro Series Heritage. Alright, so the lighting in this area is not that great because of the shadows, but this is what you got in the package. Mine came a little bit damaged where the axles go through. It came through the box on both sides, as you can see here. But everything so far seems to have arrived in one piece. Once we get it open, we will see if that's actually true. Alright, so it looks like in the boxes, the first box had the front brake assembly, chain guard, front brake lever. Other box had a reflector, some pedals, the rear knurled pegs, and owner's manual and a sticker. So I'm gonna unwrap this thing and see what I need to do to start getting this thing together. So this lighting isn't great, but there you have it. Without the pads, without the rear pegs that also came with it, without the reflector, chain guard, and front brake assembly. I'll probably swap out those pedals. I'm not a big fan, and as soon as I get the right tools, I want to get those pegs on. Overall, very happy with the quality of the build of the bike. It looks great, great finish. Tires are a little big, not my favorite, but I will certainly ride it in its current form, and very happy to have this in the stable of bikes.